Hi, I'm Kirsty from Ludlow Thompson. Here we are outside Nightingale House, a fantastic value one-bedroom property that's close by to Oval and Stockwell tube stations. Now let's go inside and take a look around. So here we are inside the flat. So as we enter, you'll see there's an intercom phone here, security, and useful cupboard for Hoover cleaning bits, so on. Got radiator down here, just to make you aware that the heating and hot water is actually included in the service charge here, which makes bills much more manageable. So here we are in the bathroom. It's a really good size for a one bed actually. You've got a full size bath, shower, heated towel rail. So next we have the bedroom. Such big windows in here as well. It's actually quite an overcast day, yet it is so bright in here. You can see the ceiling height's really good as well. Lots of floor space still. And talking of flooring, you've got beautiful carpet in here, it's really soft, and then wooden floors through the rest of the apartment. It's a beautiful room. Spin back around so you can get a good look at it. So again, you've got these huge windows that look out onto the communal gardens. Such a beautiful space. And more than enough room for everyone in the building. Upstairs as well, there is a storage unit that comes with the apartment. So especially considering the time of year, things like your Christmas decorations can be hidden up there, suitcases, you can keep all of that stuff out of the flat. Enough room for a dining table here. The kitchen is an open plan, but it's segregated in this part of the flat. So it doesn't feel like it's all just in one room, it's spaced out really well. So you've got lots of worktop space here, lots of cupboards. Here you've got the washing machine as well. Got the shelving up the top. See, it's been beautifully taken care of. I think I need to get some cleaning tips actually. So lots of worktop space and cupboard space. And you've actually even got space up the top if you need it extra. Right, now let's take a look outside. So here we are in the Communal Gardens. See, along here there's some bike storage. Lovely tree here. And there's only your own building looking over at this side. There's no one looking down. And then this is the building itself. And the flat's just along there, which looks down into the gardens. It's a beautiful space. Really peaceful. You wouldn't believe that you're only probably under 10 minutes walk from a tube station, zone 2. And there's loads of shops close by, cafes, restaurants, but this is a really tranquil little space you have here at the back of the property. Thanks for watching our video viewing. Please visit the link below for more information or to arrange a physical viewing, and please subscribe to our channel for the latest of our new properties. Thanks.